Hey bestie, have you ever been scrolling through your browser and then you see ads pop up on your browser? Or you've been browsing or doing your research and ads are popping out. You are exiting these ads, you are clicking exit on these ads and they go away. But I want to tell you a secret. Now, you don't have to just see those ads and those ads go away without you benefiting. You can get paid for those ads that you see on your browser. Let me repeat again that you can get paid for those ads you see on your browser. Now, Google Pay $1 per ad on that you see on your browser. And the sweet thing about this ad is this: you don't have to click on this ad to get paid. You can equally just exit that ad as far as it has displayed on your browser or it are displayed on your search. Google is going to pay you for this ad. So now on this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to set up this account. That once you set up this account and it is linked to your Google will be paying you for ads that pop up on your browser. So bestie, if you're new to my channel, my name is Alice. On this channel, I teach about passive income, freelancing, remote work, and generally how to make money online. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, do well to subscribe, like, and comment so this video can get to more audience. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I post videos like this, you'll be the first to get notification and then you come and take advantage of the video I'm putting out. So let me go back. Now Google is going to pay you $1 for an ad. $1 per ad. Now imagine you watch or you see, you don't even have to watch this ad, you don't even have to click this ad, you can even click exit. As far as this ad is displayed on your browser, you're going to get paid for it. Now imagine that you are watching 10 ads per day. Yes, you watch or you see 10 ads per day. 10 ads times 1, that is $10. And now you times $10 times 30 days, what you'll be getting is $300. Now, which average Nigerian get $300 as a salary at the end of the month? Like you're doing a 9 to 5 and then you go to work in the morning and come back in the evening. How many Nigerians earn this much in a month? Converting dollar to naira with the rate of dollar today, convert it to naira. How much? $200 in naira. Now, Google is going to be paying you this money just for seeing ads or ads popping up on your browser. Yes, Google is going to be paying you this kind of money. So if you're interested in what you're hearing, please stay tuned. Don't skip this video. I'll be taking you on a step-by-step process on how to set this account, on how to turn on this app or this website to be linked to your Google. So whenever you are browsing, you get paid for the ads that pop up. And then once you've set this thing to your Google, ads will always pop up on your Google search. So all you have to do is always browse, always be online, always do research. And as you're doing research, as you're asking Google questions, you are making money from it. So let's go. So the name of the website that you can earn just by seeing ads via searching or maybe when you are searching is called Swash app, and this app is available on your Android, on your iOS, and equally on your Windows. On your Windows, you can just download the Chrome extension and it will just be there. So once you just want to check or you want to use it, you just go and click on it directly and then you continue. So you're just going to come and click, you're just going to come and enter Swash app. You enter, and then on this part you can download your Chrome extension. Yes, you can download the Chrome extension. You just come and click on it, and then you click on download or add extension. Add extension. So right now we have our extension downloading. Now the extension is ready. It's ready. So it just says Swash has been added to extension, and then this is the Swash website. It directed us to this place. So it's just said, welcome. You are new to Swash, and then this place it asks, say yes, I'm new here. I want to create a new wallet. No, I already have a wallet. Import my existing wallet settings. So because we are new, we're just going to click on start. You are new. And then please make sure you read these terms and policy or the terms of services before you proceed. But I've gone through this before, so I proceed. I just click on I have read the privacy policy and terms of service and I agree. Then you click on next.
So once you click on next, this is telling you an important details. You say keep your private key in a safe place. You can share your wallet address but never share your private key. So it's actually trying to say you shouldn't share your password with somebody else. If you lose access and haven't backed up your wallet, you won't be able to access your earnings. Swash won't be able to recover them for you. It's your responsibility to be safe and secure. So it's just saying that you shouldn't share your password or your private key to anybody so that your account will not be hacked, because Swash cannot help you once your account is lost. So you're just going to click on I have read it and I agree, then you click on next. So on this part, you have to enter your details, right? You have to enter your gender, your age, your household income. So please enter correct details, because when you want to withdraw, you would need sometimes you need your bank details. Maybe when you are trying to when you're trying to withdraw via your account directly using a Visa card, or you're using a PayPal account, or you're using the gift card. If you're using your PayPal, you know that your detail is on your PayPal and your details has to be correct. The PayPal, sometimes you verify your PayPal using your ID, so you need to enter your correct date of birth, your age, your income, and your gender. So on this part, I'm a female, so I'm going to enter female, and then my age, I'm going to enter less than 20, because that's where the category I fall under. And then my family income, I'm just going to choose, I will choose less than 12k, because if you choose a high income, they will assume you have money. So why are you here doing tax? So please choose less than 12k, and then you click on next. And then the sweet thing about this Swash app is the fact that it is available in over 200 countries. And I repeat, Nigeria is not an exception. I said it earlier. Then you click on, make sure you read this please before you click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to take you to this part. It says provide your email to verify your profile. Your email will only be used to verify your account to keep Swash secure, and it won't be shared with anyone else without your permission. If you like, you can also click the box below to receive the latest update on Swash. So you click on yes, and then you enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email right now. So once you enter your email, you click on I'm not a robot, and then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, it's going to send you a verification code via your email. So you just go to your email and copy. So once you enter your verification code, you click on verify. Make sure you always read the terms and conditions before you click. So on this part, I just want to click on I have read it, and then you click on next. Same here. They're always telling you that you should not share your private key or your password with anybody. You click on next. And then it said, congratulations, your Swash wallet has been created. When you use Swash, you are in control of the data you share. You can always control what data Swash collects in the data page of your extension, or pause data collection by turning the toggle off anytime from the Swash pop-up window. Then you turn it on, and that is it. This is your Swash wallet account. So on this part, you can earn by referral. As I said earlier, you can earn by watching.
If you're getting value from my video, don't forget to subscribe. Now I want to make something clear that on this app, it's not just ads you watch to make money. You can equally perform tasks. Yes, there are tasks you can perform and then still make money out of it. And then you can make money from referral. Yes, you can make money from referring people to that website, and then you make money from it. The sweet thing about this website is you can use it on your system, you can use it on your desktop, and you can use it on your phone. Yes, you can use this app on all device you have. And then if you want to make more money, you can just have this app installed on all your devices. Just make sure you use the same details and the same email, every detail, all the details you use to open your first account, use on other devices, so that it can be linked and your reward will be in one place. And the sweet thing about this app is this: you can make your money, you can withdraw your money through PayPal, right? You can withdraw through PayPal, you can withdraw through gift card, it could be Amazon gift card or any other gift cards. You can withdraw your money through crypto. Yes, and you can withdraw your money through your bank transfer by using a Visa card. So it's amazing. And then this app, they have over 3,000 users, and then they have a 4.8 review on Google. You get? And then they have it available in over 200 countries, and then Nigeria is not an exception. So you can make money just by watching ads on Google. Don't sleep on this one. Make your research and do well to try this and make your money from the comfort of your home. Now, if you're even referring people, it's another means of making passive income, because once anybody that you invite registers, you get a percentage on the head of this person. That is a means of making passive income, sleeping and making money.
So this is your Swash dashboard. So on this dashboard, you have to complete your profile, and then you have to set this profile to be linked to your Google. So whenever you are searching and then ads pop up, the sweet thing I always say is you don't have to click on this ad, you don't have to watch this ad. Even if you exit this ad, as far as this ad has popped up on your search, you are going to be paid automatically. Yes. So you come to this part and click on profile, and then you enter your year of birth. Enter if you are married or single. I'm just going to input my details. The number, your household size, you enter. Your employment status. Your employment status, you can just enter freelancer, and then your occupational industry. You can just enter the industry where you are. You can just say telecommunication, since you said you're a freelancer. Then you submit. So you just said the profile has been saved. Then you come to your earnings, which is this part. This is where you are going to see how much you are earning, how much you are making. But then let us link it up and set it up so that whenever ads pop up, we will get money out of it. So you come to this earn more, right? Once you come to this earn more, you click on earn from ads, get paid from seeing ads on your browser. So once you click on it, you turn on all this, right? This is receive full page ads when opening a new tab, receive ads as push notification, receive integrated display ads. So once you turn this on, you're always going to get ads pop up on your browser or whenever you are searching through the internet, and then you're going to automatically be making money from it. So we've turned all this on, right? So we're going to go back. So this is when you want to perform taxes. As I said earlier, that you can actually perform taxes and make money on Swash. So you click on that. This is where you can come and perform tax and make money, right? This is where you can come and perform tax and make money. Yes, you can come and perform simple tax here and make money. Can you see? Perform simple tax on this part and make money. So do well to make your research and then check if this is a best way for you to make money from home, or if you're interested, make sure you do your research before you proceed. And this part is when you want to refer somebody, right? So you click on that referral. Let me go back so you can see. You click on referral bonus. Once you click on referral bonus, this is a link that you're going to copy and send to this person. And then once you refer anybody, you're going to make money out of it, right? Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.